Hi, I'm Cody Hollinger. I work with Candrone. Today we're out here doing a drone flight with the DJI Matrice M400 and the L3. First step to that mission, I've come out here, I've set up our base station. I'm over a point that I dug up. It's a survey pin for the quarter section line. I have everything turned on, got my height measurement set. Now I'm going to connect with my phone and I'm going to set up my base. First setting I go is under base settings, and I'm going to configure that. I don't have a known coordinate here, so I'm just going to do a single average. And in this case, I'm just going to do 2 minutes. So I'll hit save there, and then I will restart and log that base location. So now I've done my point average and I've got a corrected position there. That's not perfect, but it'll be good enough to get us started. So all I have to do here is back out of the screen. And the second step, I want to start my base logging. So in this case, I'm going to go to logging and right here, start recording. It's as simple as that. Now I can walk away from the base and I can go start my drone survey.